3rd of January, and wow, this is a super full moon, but not just a normal super full moon. This is a wolf super full moon, and wow, the wolf is howling right now, howling up to that clear, powerful moon for that clarity. And both twins that are activated on the journey right now are receiving clarity. Now, you are not going to see a lot of action in the 3D because when clarity strikes on this journey, there is a time that it is integrated. Everything on this journey happens energetically before it is anchored into the 3D. So we know divine masculine, and what I want to say is divine masculine is not an avoidant. That's just a modern day relationship status. This is way beyond a relationship. This is an energetic frequency of the shared soul. So it's nothing to do with relationships. Whenever you treat it like a relationship, you will keep yourself looping over and over and over again. This is about you breaking down out of and collapsing the ego and coming into a soul vibration. You have led your life through mind and ego, but once you have had soul recognition, you are now on a soul's journey. And so the divine masculine right now, they are realizing they can carry on running. But each time they run, each time they stop for breath, the first thing that they will see is you, divine feminine. They can run, but they cannot hide because you show them their true essence. You see, both twins cannot escape the journey. You can try, but this is not a journey just of love and romance. This is an activation. It is an awakening of the one soul. And so the divine masculine, yes, of course, they will run. Of course, they will avoid taking action. They will often say, not yet. Or they will say things that never gives you that clarity. And you just want to say, well, is it a yes or is it a no? And they will go, it's a maybe. And you'll go, I don't want a maybe. But right now, they are realizing that maybe is no more. That it is a yes or a no. And the yes, well, the yes is to themselves. You see, the maybe, you believe that they're speaking to you when they say, well, maybe, not just yet. But actually, the person they're speaking to is soul, your shared soul. And they have always been a maybe. They have always put everybody before their own needs and wants. They have run from their truth. But you, divine feminine, well, you reflect that soul essence. And that soul essence is truth. Now, on the other turn, you try and control. You put everybody before you. You put unconditional love out to everybody. You are learning how to build boundaries. You are learning how to say no. You are learning how to bring those spiritual gifts and fully embody them so you can align with your soul purpose. You are learning how, and this is one of the most important things that the divine feminine learns, and without this, there will be chaos, is emotional regulation. To not dismiss it, but to fully see it. Where is your emotional regulation? Where is the chaos? How do you feel? How safe do you feel? And this is one of the big things for a divine feminine. Creating your own safety. It is safe for you to be seen. It is safe for you to speak your needs and wants. It is safe for you to be heard. It is safe for you to be in your own body. It is safe, divine feminine. You are whole. You are complete. You are full. But on that other hand, I also want to give you even deeper clarity. Remember that you are a three-part being. So you do have this body, but only in this lifetime. You do have a mind and ego. You know, when we talk about ego death, the ego is not going to die completely, but the ego is no longer driving. The ego is no longer driving your future forward. It is soul. The soul, and you are learning how to be in that soul essence, that soul vibration. And so is divine masculine. You are both working in this beautiful tandem energy. And what stops everything is the mind and ego. Divine feminine, you want to control. Because control feels safe for you. Instead of surrendering and allowing the ebb and flow. Whereas divine masculine, they want to hide and run and just stay safe. Just stay safe. Not feeling too much, just stay safe. What you're both doing is coming into that fullness of learning how to regulate the nervous system, but in a soul vibration, without the mind and ego running the show. So the mind and ego will drop away, but it doesn't drop away as in it has gone completely. It's just that it's not the driving force anymore. When you are maybe doing your accounts or maybe writing your shopping list, you may bring the mind and ego in, but it doesn't run the show. And this is what is happening on this super full moon. You are now getting clarity. You are now getting precision. You are now getting beautiful, clear visions of where you need to regulate the system. Because once you start to work with this energy, then the next 6 months are going to be very, very different for you. This super moon is the pinnacle moon. It is what changes. But you have a choice to make. Which road will you travel on? Will you repeat the same cycles of 2025? Or will you look and go, no, I'm going to sit in that energy. I am going to allow my emotions to regulate. I'm going to self-inquire. I'm going to ask myself, what is aligned with soul? What is aligned with soul? And I'm going to also realize that I am everything and also equally nothing on this journey. You are activated on this journey with that Sophia Christ conscious frequency. But that Christ conscious frequency is not separate to you. It is you. Just like it's the trees, the oceans, the mountains. This journey is the biggest awakening of your whole entire being. And it is bringing you back to your true soul essence, your original soul's blueprint. Inner union feels safe, divine feminine. Inner union feels peace, divine feminine. Inner union, there is no chasing, longing, waiting. Inner union is you stepping in to your service and your purpose and knowing that this journey was the biggest gift that could ever happen to you, because you are the universe, and the universe is just expressing and witnessing itself through you. If you need more help and support, we have just started 30 days to inner union. You are supported every single day, step by step, the shifts you need to take in order to come into that inner union frequency. It's not full of pink fluffy stuff. It is the truth of how to shift the journey. My website is www.catsacredsoul.com. From my heart to your heart, have a beautiful, blessed day. Much love. Many blessings.